Hello everyone, this is VSP Prasanna Kumar from class 10. Now I am going to explain you about the sectors of economy under the social activity. First of all, what is economy? An economy is an area of production, distribution and trade as well as the consumption of goods and services by different agents. In general, it is defined as social domain that emphasize the practices, discourses and material expressions associated with the production, use, and management of resources. Economy is also called as a state of country or region in terms of production and consumption of goods and services and the supply of money. There are three sectors of economy: primary sector, also called as agricultural sector, and secondary sector called as industrial sector, and third one, tertiary sector, is also called as service sector. So, first of all, primary sector. There are many activities that are undertaken by directly using natural resources, since most of the natural resources are from agriculture, dairy, fishing, forestry. This sector is also called as agriculture and related sector. The primary sector includes all those activities and end purpose of which consists in exploiting natural resources like agriculture, fishing, forestry, mining, deposits. The primary sector tends to make up a larger portion of economy in developing countries than it does in developed countries. In secondary sector, also called as industrial sector, it is mostly associated with industries. In secondary sector, human activities transform raw materials into usable products, which is mostly done in industries. For example, textile industry, steel industry, and etc. By observing this picture, we can understand the secondary sector of economy manufactures finished goods. All of the manufacturing, processing, and construction lies within the secondary sector. Activities associated with the secondary sector include metalworking and smelting, automobile production, textile production, chemical and engineering industries, aerospace manufacturing, energy utilities engineering, breweries and bottlers, constructions and shipbuilding are takes place in secondary sector. Coming to the third one, tertiary sector, also called as service sector. The tertiary sector is termed as service sector because tertiary sector provides support